Hey there, and welcome to DollMotion. Today, we're adding another member to our curvy, fluffy Pokémon series. Chansey. Chansey. The egg Pokémon, known for its caring nature towards both Pokémon and trainers alike. You can often find one next to Nurse Joy at the Pokémon Center. It's famous for its pink, oval shape and its signature lucky egg. Although it's actually not an egg, but a special item used for healing or a bomb in the Pokémon world. Strange, right? Today, we will make Chansey in doll form with a few human traits. Let's begin. In this video, I won't be talking too much, but I will explain some highlights of the process. Okay, before starting a new doll custom, we first need to prep the doll head. Moving to the workspace, we cut the body into pieces, so we can reconstruct it to our liking. Using epoxy sculpt and foam clay, we shape the body to make it curvier, just like a Chansey. To avoid damaging the doll later, we will use the wrapping technique to create a pattern. I'm basing it on the outfit of Nurse Joy. Before attaching the head, I like to color the body first. However, the head itself will need many modifications before reattachment. Of course, Chansey needs her lucky egg. And since it's almost Easter, I made a few extra Pokémon eggs. Great, that is all pink and ready for a new face-up. I will base our eyes on that of Nurse Joy. Now the face-up is done, we can flock the entire body using acrylic yarn. By the way, don't you think Chansey kinda looks like an axolotl? To bring back detail lost during the flocking process, we will use pastel powders. Then we dress her. A few final details in her eyes and she's finished. Some may find her cute and lovely, and some may think she's creepy and nightmare-indulging. Both opinions are fine. I understand this doll series can seem a bit unsettling, but I hope you can appreciate the craftsmanship. If you've watched all my videos on YouTube and you would like more RePaint content, please check out my Patreon. You have access over 20 exclusive videos. And I will be adding a new RePaint video very soon. I would like to thank my lovely Patreons, K Namaru, Cat Vanity, and everyone else supporting me through Patreon and YouTube memberships. Before I go, did you spot the 2 hints in this video? One hint is a supporter exclusive video, and the other hint is a previous exclusive RePaint video coming soon to YouTube. Also, who's your favorite Pokemon? Let me know in the comments. And as always, like if you liked it and sub if you loved it. I will see you in the next video. Bye!